Good morning, New York. It is Saturday and it's the weekend and I'm gonna have a really fun weekend, so I thought I'd vlog. Just sort of washed my tan off my face and not my body yet, so it kind of looks a little bit crazy, but it's Gigi's birthday this weekend, so we're going for a bottomless, and before that I'm getting my hair cut. It is so greasy, like I'm actually really feel really bad for the hairdresser that has to wash my hair today. I don't think I've washed it in like a week. So I'm excited to get it cut. It's getting like dead at the ends now, so it's going to be shorter, and I hate it when it gets shorter, but it's all for the cause. It's all for the cause. A haircut, G's London bottomless. Oh my god, look at that. That's not okay. G's London bottomless fun, and then we're gonna go to Box Park afterwards as well, so that's gonna be fun. And then tomorrow me and Edward are going pumpkin picking, which I'm very excited about. So we've got brunch booked, and then we're gonna go pick some pumpkins and then maybe carve them, or I don't know, do something with them, and probably watch a Halloween film. So yay, it's gonna be a fun weekend and I'm bringing you along. Let's go. Okay, to start the day, we are having a little protein porridge. Protein meal porridge, which I literally have every morning. I'm gonna do the Biscoff one today with chocolate protein in it because I need a little sugar hit and anything sweet to wake me up. Edward is on coffee duty. Oh, we're gonna have to fill this bit up at the back. She is looking kind of low. I'm gonna get on this and I'll show you when it's done. I hope it's going to be a lovely day. I'm stressing right now because I don't have enough time to get to the hairdressers, but fingers crossed. And the porridge is done. Looks absolutely stunning. My hair actually looks wet. That's how wet it is. I promise it will look better in the next few clips. If you want to get some protein porridge, PWV for 40% off. I'll see you at the hairdressers because this is not a vibe. Okay, we're ready to go to the hairdresser's. Got just a little fit on. Let's go get my hair cut and feel a bit better about myself. I look like a crazy person right now. You'll have to see the hair when I put my makeup on later, because I currently don't know what the hair looks like right now. From the cut, it looked cute. So we've gone for like a bouncy. This has just gone massive, I think, as I've walked out. We've gone for a little bouncy, curly blow dry. So hopefully it looks good when I take it out. Right, it's time to make myself look pretty. My hair looks so funny, but let's try to look nice. Right, makeup is on. Hair is down. It's basically completely all dropped, which is really sad. It was actually quite curly when I took it out, but I've just been taking content for Savage in this gorgeous little bralette with this green, it's actually a dress, but I've just made it a skirt so I can be like a little Ariel mermaid. So my hair's kind of completely dropped. It's still like obviously got volume, but there's no real curl or anything to it now, which I don't know whether I should bother trying to fix it, because obviously it's raining outside, so I don't know, I might try and fix it now. First of all, I'm going to decide what I'm going to wear. That's what I need to do first, but I'm glad that I've taken the content. I can edit that tomorrow. I'm just trying to decide what clothes to put on. Okay, and we're ready to rumble. Honestly, this was the first thing I put on. I just saw this top and I was like, I haven't worn that. The last time I wore it was my birthday. These jeans from PLT. Sorry, the brightness is really high right now, but just thought you can see the outfit better with the brightness high. Got this necklace on from Abbott Lyon again because it goes with like the little pearl, and then just kept pearl earrings in to match. Then gold jewelry on the fingers. Got a little gold bracelet that I'm going to ask one of the girls to put on for me when I get there. And I'll wear my blue like dunks, and then probably just wear like a denim jacket or something. Not entirely sure on the jacket, but I went over my hair a little bit more just to give it a bit of something. As soon as I get out there in the rain, it's probably going to just fall right out, but it feels a little bit better than it did before. It looked a bit like meh before. I'm so excited. The food is amazing when I went before, so I'm hoping it's up to scratch today. And I just need a Prosecco in my hand right now, so let's go to London and celebrate Gigi. Raining. Hi boo. Hello. We're in the street and we're going to go to Broadgate. We got the tinnies. Cheers. Cheers. Don't get this one. Cheers. Don't get this one. Apparently it tastes like yogurt. It's like a raspberry yogurt. Disgusting. Yeah, like he has issues. Oh my god. We've got some edamame, some little miso miso soup, delicious. We're yet to get our drinks, so cheers. We're just legends, we just downed them already. Cheers everyone, happy birthday to you. Not the bubbles. Cheers. That lovely blurry shot. There we go, we just needed to close up. So we've got this prawn tempura, and these gyoza, pumpkin gyoza, stunning. Thank you. Morning, it's Sunday. I'm so excited. I just got ready in a little outfit and we're gonna go, me and Edward are gonna go to Pierce's farm shop. We're gonna have a little brunch first and then we're gonna go pumpkin picking, so I'm very excited. But before I go, I've got an exciting delivery from Abbott Lyon. So I'm gonna, or Abbott Lyon. I actually don't know how you like pronounce it, but yeah, basically I've already got this gorgeous necklace from them. It's on my Instagram. I did like a little reel. Personalize it to be what you want. So my necklace says Fee. It's like a little pearl and gold necklace and it says Fee in gold. Oh, I've butchered opening this. And then I've just got, look, this little Abbott Lyon in the box. I've just got a bracelet, which was personalised as well. This came so quickly, I think because it's like personalised, but there's only a certain amount of things you can do. The necklace kit took quite a while to come. It was like over 2 weeks, but this literally came within like 2 days of me ordering it, which is crazy. So it comes in a little box, and then its own little box here, which is cute. It's got a little like booklet about it. I think it's all made from like sustainable materials, all about luxury personal design. Their jewellery is made from 60 to 65% recycled stainless steel and 80% recycled brass. Cute personalised stuff and sustainable materials. What is in here? Oh, these are like the little charms. Oh, so cute. Add me to your necklace or bracelet for effortless style. That's so cute. So basically you can put this charm on like a necklace or a bracelet. It doesn't have to go on just this bracelet, so I could add it to my necklace. And it's my birthstone, which is really cute. June is like moonstone, so it's like a pearl, which literally goes with so much of my jewellery already. And then this is the bracelet. Oh, we've got like a little like Abbott Lyon duster. Oh, so pretty. I got a little F for feet. Don't know if you can see that, if the F is like showing up, but yay. Bring this to Edward's house when I pick him up and he can put it on for me. And then I can add the little charm as well. Absolutely gorgeous, I can't wait to wear. I'll show you when I have it on my wrist. And let's go to get some brunch. This is the fit for today. We've gone for just like a grey jumper, grey skirt, and then I think I'm gonna put a little black blazer on over the top. And then a little bag. My legs are not tanned, which I didn't really think about when I put this outfit on, but I feel like it's a cute pumpkin picking outfit, and I'll put some booties on. Yay. We made it to the little pumpkin patch. This is so cute. There's so many pumpkins. And then there's like a bit around the back. This is so cute. I like that. Tractor rides? What dog? Doggy! There's so many, oh, these are like little speckled ones. Got the bracelet ready. Yay! She's cute. The F is basically upside down, but it's the right way for you. Gorgeous! To be honest, like, it's not that cold. We could have sat outside, but it's nice to be comfortable. It's such a cute little cafe, all like wooden beams. really pretty. We have ordered one full English and one mashed avocado and pea guacamole with poached egg, and we're gonna share both. So yay. Also, this is the length of my hair. Now that you can actually see it, it doesn't look too much shorter. Just wanted it like tidied up, but yay. Got a little coffee. So me and Ed are sharing. We've got the full English here, which looks insane. Yeah, is it just one sausage? Fair enough.
This is a wham sausage.
And then this poached egg. This avocado and pea guacamole is so good. We had it last time and it was unreal. So yeah, gonna dig in. Got some Halloween cupcakes, rainbow cake. Oh, the brownie looks really good. Oh, passion fruit drizzle. Wow, that's pang. Wow, it's orange and almond, lemon cream, mocha. Oh, carrot and almond, that looks really nice. They've got all their Christmas decorations out. These are so cute. I love that. I love this little farm shop. I love these Santas as well. Oh, these are gorgeous. I want them all, Ed. Yeah, I know, sorry. I got distracted. Oh, look at the whiskey one.
Prosecco one?
Oh, I definitely get the Prosecco one. These would go really well on our tree. I bet you they're like an arm and a leg though. Oh, that's so pretty. Those truffle pasta sauce. These pastas look so good. This one and this one. Defo the best too. Look at this little guy. He's kind of adorable. We're getting a little coffee to have while we go pick the pumpkins. They're all laid out here, but they're like, there's like a patch over there which we're gonna go look at. So yeah, I've got a little pumpkin spice latte, obviously. What else? Got the new sunglasses on as well from Vista when we went, little Dior's. Treating me very well in the sunshine. This looks incredible. Wow. We're in the little pumpkin patch. It's so cute. Look at this. It's quite muddy in here, so I'm glad I wore my boots. This is farm shop, and they've got that big like hay barrel of pumpkins over there. Oh, have you found a good one? Did you find a good one? This one's massive. This one looks pretty good. I love the speckled ones. I think they're really cute. And the white ones are cool. Do you reckon the white ones taste different?
Probably.
We're thinking of making pumpkin pasta tonight. Ed's mum sent us a recipe. So we think we're gonna make pumpkin pasta with the pumpkin that we carve. We'll show you how that goes. But yeah, we need to pick the perfect pumpkin first. That is a good one. It's looking pretty likely. No, that's quite good from the front.
This bit's a lot more fun.
Yeah, the one next to it looks literally like a ball. That one's a good one. They're all pretty good. This pumpkin is so big. Like, the one next to it is like small but not tiny. That is absolutely wow. We got some good ones. We've got a tiny baby one down there, which I'm so excited about. I'm gonna whack them in the boot. We have the pumpkins home now. I just wanted to show the bracelet one more time before I take it off, because I'm gonna obviously take off all my jewelry to carve them. But yeah, we're gonna wash them here and like draw on them in Sharpie here, and then Ed has better knives at his house, so we're gonna actually carve them and shape them at his house. But yeah, I'll show you the pumpkins when I get changed and get downstairs. We've got our pumpkins ready. We've got one that's like a bit longer and thinner, and then one that's a bit fatter. They both look super cute. And then look at the tiny ones I got. Look how tiny this little pumpkin is. I love the bottom as well. It's got like a little black bottom. Really cute. I think I'm gonna put them in my room somewhere. They're the little cute ones. We have done our initial drawings. I've gone for the pumpkin jelly cat, and Ed's gone for spooky. So we're gonna get these back to his house and we'll carve them. We are ready to carve. We've got Harry Potter and Chamber of Secrets on. We've got all of our knives and tools ready to go. They are emptied. Oh, I can't pick it up like that, but they're all empty, and it's time to start carving. gonna make a little pumpkin pasta with the leftovers. So roast the pumpkin in here. We've got the chicken cut with onions and tomato paste and some spices. We've got the pasta boiling here. The pumpkin is in the oven, so I need to take that out and then puree it. Look how cute the pumpkins, look at the door. It's kind of really cute. And that one's a scary one, and that one's the cute one. There's the pumpkin. It smells so good, doesn't it?
Yeah, the nutmeg stuff as well.
Oh, that's like the perfect amount. This looks incredible. So hungry. Wow. Yay.